Hi, good evening everyone. This is Lapyans and you're watching Lapyans YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope all are doing good. So, it is Saturday today and tomorrow is Sunday. As we know, usually Sunday we enjoy a lot because it is a off day and a holiday. Students do not go to college, school or who all are doing job or anything. They get off and enjoying lots and as well as who all are away from home, they do lots of work because they have to do everything by self, like washing cloth and lots of things. So I would say that do not waste your Sunday because if you are a student and you are studying and as well as you are also learning English, then give time to learning English uh, during week off, as like we get off on Sunday. So and you are learning English, then you have enough time. Like Sunday you get off, then you can practice more because you do not go to college or you do not go to school. Just stay at home and practice English. uh, Practice English in way, or not only like writing, like you can enjoy and practice English as well, like you fun with English, like make blog, make video and study uh, English book, like lots of book related to which is written in English language, and when you read it is everything written in English. If you do like that, then you can improve your English speaking too. And when I get off, I also do something. Like usually when I get off, I do like watch lots of YouTube blog and YouTube English related channel who make video, and I get very motivated, and I also want to become like that. So that's why I'm doing on work every day, and I do not want to skip even one day. So do not waste your Sunday. Whenever you get off, you do more work on that. I understand when you get off, there are lots of many work, pending work we do during off time, but it is also very big task, like because we are learning English and we have dream something and we want to achieve something in life. That's why we are studying, that's why we are learning English. And I would request to you, uh, if you whenever you get off, or usually when we are studying college life or school life, we do bunk. So whenever you do bunk, please focus on yourself, like learning English, and improve your personality, or whatever you are doing apart from studying. Work on that, work on your hobbies that will reflect on your CB, or anything, like if you are going anywhere, or so you have you make different from other. So do work on that too whenever you get off. So do not waste your off day like Sundays. um, and if you are learning English and haven't subscribed my channel so far, so please subscribe my channel. If you are beginner and learning English, do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much watching my video so far. See you in next vlog. Bye. Good night. Have a great evening ahead and enjoy lots during off time, and as well as study too. Good night. See you in next vlog. Bye.